Word problems from 3.6. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours, upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. You have to find the speed of the rowing in still water and also the speed of the current. So whatever we need to find, we assume them. Okay, we had to find the speed of the rowing in still water, let that be x kilometers per hour. दूसरा हमें निकालना था speed of current, let that be y kilometers per hour. Now, we are saying the speed, there are two types of motion, downstream motion हो रहा है, upstream हो रहा है. अब जब downstream motion होता है, so we have this kind of thing. The current is also in that direction and the boat is also rowing in the same direction. So when they are moving in the same direction, for net speed, the boat two speeds will be added up. सेम साइंस हो गए तो एडिशन हो जाएगा. ओके, सो x प्लस वाई. व्हेन दे आर मूविंग अपस्ट्रीम तो ऑपोजिट मोशन होता है. सी, स्ट्रीम हमेशा डाउनवर्ड फ्लो करेगी, ऑब्जेक्ट अपस्ट्रीम मूव कर रहा है, तो फिर नेट रिजल्टेंट विल बी द डिफरेंस. इनके ऑपोजिट साइंस हो गए, डिफरेंस हो गया. ओके, सो x माइनस वाई. अनदर थिंग टू बी केप्ट इन माइंड इज y, that is the speed of current, will always be less than the speed of the rowing object. Okay, अगर करंट की स्पीड ज्यादा होगी तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट को पीछे पुश कर देगा. सो speed of current or the speed of the object rather should be more than the speed of current. So this you have to keep in mind. Okay, इसमें गड़बड़ नहीं करनी है. Okay, now they had told you कि कितना kilometers in कितना time. Distance and time was given to you. So we know this relation between speed, distance and time. Speed we are talking about here, which is distance upon time. So in case 1, 20 kilometer was being rowed in 2 hours. So this would give you distance upon time is speed, and speed for downstream motion we are saying is x plus y. So first equation we get as x plus y is 20 upon 2, that is x plus y is equal to 20. One equation. Then for upstream motion, speed is x minus y we have said, and the time taken was 2 hours and distance covered was 4. So speed is distance upon time. You cancel it out 2 times. So x minus y is equal to 2. These are your two equations. Now you can solve them simultaneously. We can add the equations. X plus x, 2x, minus y plus y will get cancelled. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6. Put it in any one equation. If x is 6, y is 10 minus 6, 4. So we would say, I have not written the answer, you will write it properly. I have just done the solution. Therefore, the speed of the speed of rowing is 6 kilometers per hour, whereas the speed of current is 4 kilometers per hour. Next question says, 2 women and 5 men can together finish any work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. You have to find the time taken by a single woman and also a single man if they are working alone to complete this work. Okay. So we will start by assuming what we had to find. Let the woman is taking x days to complete the work, whereas man is taking y days to complete the work. Okay, this way. Now, if you remember, work and time problem आपने करी होंगी class 7, 8 में कभी. Alright, so work and time are reciprocal of each other. If I need 10 days to do a work, in 1 day I would have done 1/10 of the work. तभी तो मुझे 10 days लगे. Okay. So if I say a woman takes x days, so her 1 day's work will become 1 upon x. Then their 1 day work is 1 upon x for women, and for man it would be 1 upon y. The total y days ले रहा है तो एक day में कितना काम करेगा? 1 upon y. Okay, this is work time reciprocal. Okay, now what was said in the question? We have 2 women who are working and 5 men. If one woman's 1 day work is 1 upon x, 2 women's will become 2 into 1 upon x, that is 2 upon x. So we had 2 women, therefore 2 upon x. This is the work done by 2 women. This is the work done by 5 men. 5 upon y. And this would give you 4 days लगे थे, तो 1 day में कितना work हुआ होगा? 1 upon 4. इन्होंने साथ में किया है ना? 2 women and 5 men together take 4 days. So this is 1 day work. Their 1 day together work, and this according to our assumption we have taken. Okay, likewise we'll find for the next one. Next में हमको बोला कि 3 women are working. So 3 women's 1 day work is 3 upon x. 6 men's 1 day work is 6 upon y. Their together work means add it. Together they have worked this much, and because they were taking 3 days, so in 1 day they would have done 1 upon 3 work. Okay, तो ऐसा होता है ये work and time equivalence वाली question. Okay, now we've studied इक्वेशंस रिड्यूसिबल टू, ऐसा जब डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाता था वेरिएबल, व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, वी यूज्ड टू टेक इट एज some third variable. Now we will put 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y is equal to v. So this equation will become 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4. Second equation will become 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. Now children, I have done it straight away. It's up to you. आप चाहो तो ये अगर आपको fraction problem कर रहा है, आप ये 4 यहाँ cross multiply कर सकते हो. You can write this equation as 4 2s are 8u plus 4 5s are 20v is equal to 1. इसको आप अपना इक्वेशन मान सकते हो. एंड फ्रॉम हियर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग 3, 9u प्लस 18v इज इक्वल टू 1. फिर आप उसे सब्स्टिट्यूशन से करो, एलिमिनेशन से करो, यू कैन चूज योर ओन मेथड. ओके, आई डिड नॉट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, आई एम डूइंग इट बाय एलिमिनेशन. सो एलिमिनेशन के लिए कोएफिशिएंट सेम होने चाहिए. सो इसको 3 टाइम्स इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, इसको 2 times. 3 2s are दोनों 6 6 हो जाएंगे. So I have multiplied first equation by 3, second equation by 2. So this becomes 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15 and 3 upon 4. Likewise इसको 2 से कराए तो 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 2 upon 3. फिर आप इसमें माइनस कर दोगे एलिमिनेशन के लिए तो 6u minus 6u कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So I have done equation 3 minus 4. This gets cancelled. 15 minus 12 makes it 3v and 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Taking LCM, we'll have to take LCM here now. Okay, take LCM. Then this becomes 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. 1 upon 12, ये 3b यहाँ denominator में आएगा other side. So it will become v is equal to 1 upon 36. अब v हमारा क्या था? 1 upon y था. हमें तो x and y निकालना है. That was our question. So v is 1 upon y is 1 upon 36. So from here y is equal to 36. Put this y or maybe v in any of the equation. Y आप इन equations में रख सकते हो या आप v इन equations में किसी में रख सकते हो to find your second variable. Okay. So here I have put v in the first equation I had of u and v. So 2u is equal to 5 into v की जगह वैल्यू रख दी 1 upon 36 आई थी उसकी वैल्यू is equal to 1 by 4. So 5 upon 36 will go to the other side, will become minus, taking LCM which is 36. 4 9s are, so this will increase 9 times. 9 minus 5, 4 upon 36. 4 9s are, आप चाहो तो सीधे कैंसिल कर सकते हो. This 2 will also come here. 9 2s are 18. Calculation is up to you. So u is equal to 1 upon 18. u was 1 upon x. So from here x is equal to 18. So word problem है तो उसका आंसर वर्ड्स में ही दिया जाता है. Therefore, if woman is working alone, then she can finish the work in 18 days. And whereas if a man is working, then he would take 36 days.